Hey guys, welcome back to Estrogen Express. In today's video, I'll be doing this easy intense black smoky eye. I'll be priming my eyelid and then I'll apply some concealer and set it with loose powder so that I have a fresh canvas to start with. First, I'll apply a transition shade which is 1 or 2 shades darker than my skin tone, and then I'll go with this brown shade. I'll be dabbing it towards the outer corner and dragging it and blending it towards the inner corner. I'll once again go with the transition shade to blend all the harsh lines. Next, I'll be applying this black gel liner all over my eyelid. And don't worry if it gets messy at this point because we are going to blend everything later. I'll apply some brown eyeshadow and try to blend all the harsh lines. In the next step, I'll be applying some black eyeshadow and try to blend the harsh lines. In this way, I'll be repeating brown eyeshadow and black eyeshadow one after another so that a point reaches where you can't really make out where one shade ends and another shade begins. A little disclaimer, I'm not being so harsh on my eyes. I have just fast forwarded this video and so it appears as if I'm going harsh on my eyes. Now I'm finally satisfied with the blending and I'll be removing the sellotape. I'll clean out any fallout because in life you always gotta clean your own mess. Next, I'll be torturing my lower eyelid in the same way I tortured my upper eyelid. Now I'm gonna apply some falsies. I always have trouble with fake lashes, but I still end up wearing them because fake lashes help me get used to fake friendships and fake relationships. You can totally stop at this point, but I'll go extra and apply some eyeliner. Next, I'll be applying some highlighter and completing this look. So that's it guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.